Okay guys, we are in downtown Gatlinburg. Today is Friday the 6th of June. We got a call for an illegally parked vehicle. It is a Toyota 4Runner here over on Airport Road. So we are going to see if we can hopefully get this thing loaded up, get their parking lot cleared out, and hopefully it won't give us any troubles. Getting ready to pull in here now. Excuse me. It was right across from a blue. Let's see if I can pull into here. Sorry again, excuse me. I'm trying to navigate through this parking lot and talk to the camera at the same time, but I think it should be right there, right in front of us. So we are going to see if we can get turned around, get this thing hooked up, and get out of here. See if I can throw these on here and then I'll do a little walk around. Ginormous tires. Personally, I love me a good 4Runner. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Something weird. Big scratch right there. Hit tail light. Mud. Got some people over here. I'm not really sure if that's them or not, but we'll see. Is this you? Okay, whew, I'll be scared for a second.
No interactions yet.
Yeah, I'm just doing a little quick walk around first before I do anything else.
I just want to introduce myself because we have a new parking policy, so we may be calling you all.
Okay, well, perfect, absolutely. We will do the best that we can. I believe I'm gonna have to drag this one forward a little bit just so I can get more wheels on the front, but other than that, it shouldn't take me too long.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and try that. Thank you. There's that tow warning sticker too. I'm almost done. I'm sorry.
How much is it gonna be for this kid?
For whoever, the owner is. Yes, sir. That's just the standard for all of our illegal parks.
Okay.
We also, we call everything into the police department. So hopefully they won't give you too many troubles. But again, we call everything into the police department. So if they think it's stolen, they'll call them and then they'll tell them that we have it. So thank you guys. I'll get it out of your way. Hey, you too. Thank you.
Yeah, let her handle it because she's got a company credit card.
Okay. Yeah, Davey says to let you handle it because you've got the company credit card. Okay. Do you need to talk to him?
Or if you want card to be present, I have a company card.
Let me get this.
Okay. All right. Okay. If you just want to hang on a second, we'll get this card machine ready to go. Okay. Okay. He'll have to come and pick it up here. We don't have keys or anything, so. Okay, he's getting it. I guess he's in town. Well, I guess he's in town. Does he have a way over here to?
Is he there?
Is he there? Oh, here. I'm gonna put you on speaker. Put you on speaker. That way everybody can hear what's going on here.
Davey,
Hey, is Quinn there?
I don't know. We haven't seen him. Does Kathy talk to him? It's basically, Mignon called me and asked if we were towing with anything, and I said yes, and she asked if we towed, and I said we towed Forerunner today, and she said that was Quinn's car, and then I guess she called Logan. So.
It's okay. We'll get you.
If we had the key,
Yeah, we
but
don't.
Quinn's got the key.
Can you get Quinn's phone number so we can call him?
Can we get outside the gate?
No,
It's Dolly's. It's all-wheel drive, so. Quinn's bringing the keys right now. Okay. Awesome.
So he has to run.
Okay, good.
Yeah, he'll be here in about 15 minutes. They said. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well,
he gets here with the keys. If not, then we can put it outside the gate. It'll just take a little extra effort.
They just said that he's on his way. He'll be here in about 15 minutes with the keys.
Okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She already paid it.
Yes. Yeah, and he's on his way. He'll be here in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Well, it's our fault.
It's been one of those days, those mix-up days, because we towed one for Bodies Human, and I guess the original owner didn't relay the information that that's a new store and that she
had an agreement with somebody
a couple of locals to park there. And Bodies Human called us to tow them, and then she came back and said, yeah, they were going to take care of those two. So it's been one of those weird days that I guess a lot of information doesn't get relayed to
I understand you guys want to be on top of things and, you know, like trying to implement your policies and stuff. You're like, yeah, let's do it. And then you're like, shoot. So, yeah, so don't let that discourage you because it'll, yeah. But we appreciate you guys. And,
thank you.
Well, yeah, no, I hate that because I get in the middle of this stuff too. I had the country inn down there had towed a couple of people that they weren't supposed to too. And they weren't like you guys. They weren't stand up. They, you know, I said, you called us to do a thing, so we have to make money. And I charged them, and then they got mad, and they're like, we'll never call you ever again. I can't believe you charged us for that. I'm like, you called me to...
Hey, we're all in it to make money, right? That's how it works.
You called me to tow it. So, no, thank you guys for being nice. We appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you. All right, well, have a good...
But yeah, you too. Try to enjoy the weekend.
Yep.
I'll get it. I'll wait for him. And
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Thanks, sir.
So, again, guys, it's been one of those days where we are towing a lot of stuff that is mistakenly being towed. With summer vacation coming on, it's busy season. With busy season comes, hey, I need to keep my parking lot cleared out and available for my customers. And when then that comes in, and then you get a lot of mistakes where I didn't know they were employed with me, an old agreement from an old property owner and a new business has started, and I didn't realize that agreement was in place. So we get a lot of locals and people that are employed with some of these people that get towed by the employer mistakenly, and that's exactly what's happened all day today.
This one was interesting because they have a hotel, they're charging for parking. Today was the first day that was implemented, was the charging for parking, okay? And this is the owner of the hotel, his son.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So they're all afraid that they're about to be fired. I don't think so. I think that just goes to show that, hey, we're doing our job. We're trying to do the right thing. We're trying to make sure that everything is done by the book. And it happens.
It does.
It happens.
It happens to the best of us. It's so hard to keep track of
Who's
who's who and they are in the right spot. A good way to do that is parking tags. If everybody's got a parking permit and everything's hanging from that rear view mirror, then there's no questions. So hopefully things will get rearranged and in place on making it easier for that. But like I told him, the owner there, I said, thank you for being straight up, because you know, we've towed for businesses before, and they've called us mistakenly for one, and then they get upset when we charge them. They're like, well, I understand, it was my fault, I shouldn't have, but then they don't want to pay us. They expect us to do it for free. And then when I tell them, you know, you called me to do a service and I performed my end of the bargain, and then they get mad and they say, well, we'll never call you ever again, because I can't believe you would charge me knowing that was a mistake. It wasn't a mistake on my end, and I still performed our thing, and trucks are expensive and fuel's expensive. So big shout out to those folks there for being stand up and paying and understanding what's going on there. So
Right, yeah.
it is what it is.
Beautiful Monday. We are on our way up into the national park for a broken down park ranger vehicle. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing loaded up and get on the way. Beautiful views. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. I think he said it was this building here, but I don't know how to get over there. I'm kind of just leaving my truck. Said nobody picked up over there. He said it was that, I think. I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble if I walk back here, but I'm pretty sure that this is where I'm supposed to be, but I could be very, very wrong. Very, very wrong, but hopefully not. Maybe not. tried nothing on that one.
Hello.
Hello. I believe we were called to tow one of the Tahoes that was broken down.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. What tow company are you with?
Everything Auto.
Okay. Oh, our favorite. We love Jeff.
I didn't know which one it was.
Yeah, let me raise the Rangers and
Okay.
we'll figure it out there on the
Thank
call.
you so
Okay,
much.
You're welcome.
That was so scary. That was so scary. I didn't know if it was. I've never been over here before, so I didn't know if I was gonna be in the. I didn't know if I was gonna get in trouble. I don't know. Park rangers, you heard them. We're their favorites. So that's awesome. We love you guys. We really do appreciate all of our park rangers and all of our law enforcement. You guys are always super helpful to us and making sure that we're safe and making sure that we're doing the right thing. So we really do appreciate you guys. Okay guys, looks like this is the one we were supposed to tow. Do a little walk around. Not that the park is gonna get onto us, and not that we're gonna damage it, but see if I can get loaded up, get it out of here.